In this video, let me show you how to open a Mashreq Neo account UAE. Now, in order to do this, you need to first of all download the application of Mashreq Digital Banking onto your device first of all. And once the application has been downloaded, within the application, just head over to become a customer. Now, as you can see, there are different types of Neo accounts that you can create depending upon your case. So if you're trying to create the Neo account for salary, you can select the salary option. If not, you can see the description of it. So make sure you select one of these options, tap on continue, and depending upon your case or depending upon the account that you selected, your application process might differ slightly. However, firstly, what you need to do is add in your phone number and then add in your email address. In the next step, a OTP is going to be sent. Make sure that you add in the OTP. Now, once everything is complete, the next step is going to be to provide your ID, which is going to be your Emirates ID, as well as you need to scan your passport. Once everything is done, lastly, you need to scan your face as well. This is done in order to match up the ID that you provided. Once everything is complete, the last thing that you need to do is create a username and the password. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.